Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the third trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks in news. The first one is Biocon. If you look at the numbers are looking good. The company's net profit is reported at 130 crores versus 27 crores on yearly basis. If you look at the estimate, it was at around 75 crores. So clearly the company's net profit is above estimates. If you look at the top line, it is reported at 4,295 crores versus 3,590 crores. It is also above their estimates of Q2. On the operational side, EBITDA is reported at 835 crores and margins are reported at 19.45% versus 19.09%. So numbers are looking good of Biocon. The next stock is BSE, where the company's net profit is up by 61% on yearly basis, reported at 558 crores. If you look at the top line is again up by 44% on yearly basis, reported at 1,068 crores versus 741 crores. We have seen fiscal year 26 is bit of sluggish. Despite that, the volume growth in BSE is remarkable. Now, the next stock which you need to look at is Concor, where the company's net profit is up by 4%, reported at 378 crores versus 365 crores. There is a marginal uptick in the net profit front. If you look at the top line, it is also up by 3%, reported at 2,354 crores versus 2,287 crores on Y&Y basis. Operational number on the same side is flatter this quarter. EBITDA is down by 1.1%, reported at 576 crores and margins are reported at 24.5% versus 25.5%. It means there is a cut of 100 basis points. The next stock which you need to look at is PI Industry. If you look at the numbers are not looking good this quarter. Net profit is down by approximately 20%, reported at 409 crores. Revenues again down by 16%, reported at 1,872 crores. Operational numbers again on a red side. EBITDA is down by 13.8%, reported at 541 crores and margins are reported at 29% versus 28.3% on yearly basis. Now we have to watch the PI Industry, how it will react once the market open. The next stock is Fortis Healthcare, where the company's consolidated net profit is reported at 320 crores versus 176 crores. So we can see there is a clear doubling in the profitability of the company. If you look at the top line, it is also reported at 2,330 crores versus 1,990 crores on yearly basis. Operational numbers are also looking very good. EBITDA is reported at 560 crores versus 435 crores and margins are reported at 23.86% versus 21.87% on yearly basis. The next stock is RVNL, where the company's net profit is down by 20%, reported at 230 crores versus 287 crores on yearly basis. But if you look at the top line, it is marginally increased by 5.5%, reported at 5,123 crores. EBITDA is down by 20%, which is not good for the company's profitability. Reported at 217 crores and margins are also contracted about 150 basis points, reported at 4.2% on yearly basis. The next stock is Tata Power, where the company's net profit is down by 0.7%, reported at 919 crores. Revenues again on the flatter side, down by 1%, reported at 15,544 crores. EBITDA is down by 12% and margins are also contracted by 200 basis points, reported at 21.2% versus 23.9% on yearly basis. Along with that, Tata Power proposes to buy 40% stake in SPV for 1,572 crores. The next stock is Torrent Power, where the company's net profit is up by 50%, reported at 723 crores versus 481 crores. Revenue on the same side is up by 10%, EBITDA is up by 25%, reported 1,506 crores EBITDA this quarter and margins are reported at 19.1% versus 16.8% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Godrej Industry, where the company's net profit is down by 15.8%. Revenue is up by 4.7%, reported at 5,032 crores. EBITDA is again down by 76%, and margins are reported at 2.7% versus 12% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Thermex, where the company's net profit is down by approximately 40%, reported at 119 crores. On the same side, revenue is also down by 5.4%, reported at 2,473 crores. EBITDA is again down by 38%, and margins are also contracted about 400 basis points this quarter, reported at 6.9% versus 10.6% on yearly basis. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.